for watching. I'm going to talk about how to cut aluminum or thin sheet metal with a circular saw. And what I got here is some really big teeth. So if you cut this, you know what's going to happen. It may cut it, but it may catch it if it starts to slow down, and you're going to have a big mess, or it's going to jerk really hard. So there's a quick trick I'm going to tell you guys that a lot of people don't know about. What you're actually doing is unscrewing the blade, and you're going to go counterclockwise. I got one hand here, guys, but I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. It's going to be easy and quick and easy. Counterclockwise, and if you can't get that off, you take a little screwdriver and you lock the blade like that. Have somebody else help you hold it. That way you can get it loosened. Move the blade and flip it on backwards. This one's already on backwards, so yours should look like this when it's on backwards. You can test it by turning it on after you lock it in place. It'll cut it like butter. There's no way that you're actually going to catch it. It's nearly impossible because the blade is going backwards. So if you imagine what a blade looks like when it's cutting backwards, let me get this out and show you here for my countertop. And I was able to cut it like pretty much like butter, like I said. I used a little sanding block to smooth it over, and it's nice and perfect cut. If I wanted to put some Schluter trim over this, I can do that, but it's not necessary. It's not really that visible. Okay, so when this blade is going backwards and we're cutting, I mean, imagine this just going backwards. It cannot catch and it can't hurt you, and also it's not dulling the blade out. The only thing it's dulling out is the back side of the blade, which isn't really causing any problems. So you still got a nice new blade. You've cut metal with it, and you didn't destroy your blade. So again, it's cutting backwards, going like that. And if you're confused on which way it goes, usually there's writing. So this would be the front side, this would be the back side. So all right, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and give me a thumbs up and go cut some metal.